This is why you need the 2X LED Watch Jeweler Repair Magnifier. Tired of struggling with tiny watch parts or jewelry? Let's fix that. The 2X LED Watch Jeweler Repair Magnifier is your new best friend for precise work. Whether you're fixing a watch, making jewelry, or working on tiny electronics, this magnifier has got you covered. Check out the head-mounted headband. No more fumbling around with a handheld magnifier. It stays put, so you can focus on the task at hand. And with 3 magnification levels, 8x, 15x, and 23x, you'll see every tiny detail crystal clear. But wait, there's more. This magnifier comes with high-brightness LED lights. Adjustable and dimmable, these lights ensure you have the perfect illumination for any job, day or night. It's not just for the pros. Hobbyists, seniors, and anyone with a love for detail will find this tool indispensable. Think of it as an extra set of eyes that never get tired. So why struggle? Click the link in the pinned comment and get your 2X LED Watch Jeweler Repair Magnifier today. Your eyes will thank you. End on a high note, folks. Happy magnifying!